In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable mobile view in your Wix website. Whether you're looking to manage your site's appearance on different devices or streamline your layout, these steps will guide you through the process efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website by typing in www.wix.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're there, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Click on it and go ahead and enter your account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all the websites you manage. Choose the website you'd like to edit by simply clicking on it. Next, let's head into the Wix editor. From your dashboard, you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Give that a click. Doing this opens up the Wix editor, a versatile platform that allows you to manage both the desktop and mobile views of your site. Now that you're in the editor, let's switch to mobile view. On the top menu, you'll notice a phone symbol. This is your gateway to the mobile version of your site. Click on the mobile icon and it will instantly show how your site will appear on mobile devices. Once you're viewing the mobile version, you might want to make some adjustments. If there are elements you'd prefer not to show on mobile, you can easily hide them. Click on the element you'd like to hide to select it. A settings panel will appear, and here you'll see an option that says Hide on Mobile. Click that and the element will be hidden on mobile devices. You can repeat this step for any other elements you want to keep exclusive to the desktop view. Furthermore, to ensure your site is user-friendly on mobile, you might need to customize the layout a little. This can include resizing and repositioning elements to better fit the mobile screen. It's a good idea to make use of tools like strips, columns, and containers for optimal alignment and organization. After you've adjusted the layout and hidden any necessary elements, it's crucial to see how your changes look. Click on Preview and then select Mobile to get a sneak peek of your site in action on a mobile device. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the changes, it's time to go live. Hit the Publish button and your enhancements will be visible to your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively manage how your Wix site appears on mobile devices, ensuring a seamless and professional look for your visitors. Happy editing, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.